of course, happy Sunday. Today is 11th of January 2026, and of course, being Sunday, which is the weekend, so we'll be looking at our analysis on synthetic market. We'll be focusing on world trade. And in case you don't know this broker coverage trade, a link is in the description for you to register an account with them, and of course, they can deposit as low as $5. Open trade webs as low as 20 cents. And of course, using that link to register gives you automatic access to all my trades. And just like I usually say it, if you are copying of my trades, ensure to properly check the lot size so you don't risk more than you can afford to lose. So that said, let's go straight into today's analysis. So we are already on H4 of what's it called, of FX volume. So just mark the recent high we are looking at. Then here is an internal low where the market has been expecting. Then here is the general low leading to these whole movements. So remember, for us to actually go short on this is going to happen only if you can see a break below this, then see a pullback, then you can think of going short to this level. But if that does not, what's going on? Look at this level. Let me go this way. Sorry, just catching cruise right now. Okay, let me see what it looks like. It's kind of easy. It looks good, right? Okay, so that's it. So that's what we're looking at. A break below this level. They're looking for shorting this market to this next level. Otherwise, then let's go to the what's it called? 15-minute start to see scalping strategy to this next level. Remember, I said scalping, not day trade and not swing trading. So the scalping strategy is going to come up if we can see a break above this level currently being respected. So you can see a break above that level currently being respected somewhere around this level, then a pullback. You can think of scalping the market to this next level. So any of them that happens, remember the market is very close to it, so let's just keep fingers crossed and we'll see what the market does. You can see a break below this, then we think of going short. A break above this, then think of going long to this next level. And if you're going long, remember your stop loss is going to be below ejection. If there's no ejection form, then this stop loss is going to be. So that's it. I go to the next one, which is going to be our break 600. Alright, remember there's other assets in case you're not conversant with this one, you want to choose other ones. And don't forget, if this is your first time coming across my video, please, I do this every single day. Please do it to hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon beside it so you get notified once I post the next video. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button and give it a thumbs up if you feel it's necessary. And you can still do well to share this with your colleagues and friends if you might actually need this information. That said, let's mark our recent levels on break 600. Okay, the recent high, then the low. All right, so we're going to 15-minute charts to see if we are actually ejecting this level. For now, no, we are not. So let's see what happens if we can. There's likeliness of we breaking above this. I break above that is actually a good sign for us to actually go long on that, because you can already see the market losing momentum around this level. So you can see a break above this, a minor pullback, and think about going long on this. Otherwise, this is where our sell opportunity is going to be. Remember, we are not doing anything in this zone right now. So either a break above this or a break below this. That tells us a buy or we are shorting on this market. So that's it. Let's go to the flip X1. Okay, now here is our flip X1, and of course we're going to the H4. Is it H4 or 4H safe? Alright, so here is the 4-hour charts on this. So as usual, we mark out the structures, recent level, recent low. Then are we actually rejecting that level? We can see our previous high and they're getting broken, and then you can see that movement in the bullish side, but then since we are actually moving into that zone again. So let's see if there's opportunity for us to come down and retest this level, and I think yes, there is. Like you can see what really happened here. the market is currently giving us a series of inability to break above this level, the first time, second time, and third time, and breaking into the zone. But then the problem now is, if you are going short on this, there's no sensible place for us to attach our stop loss to it. So if you are going short on this level, stop loss is going to be here, the take profit is going to be here. I think it's, yes, perfect. So that means I'll be going short on this right now. So I'm going short on, what was this? On FlipX1. So just give me a few minutes. Let me go short on this. All right. Okay, thank you. So I'm through with that. So I just go short and quick and see where my stop loss is and where my take profits is. So I just leave this. Then after church, I'll see what is going on. So next one, I'll be going to gain 400. One of my favorite of this broker. Gain and Pain, actually love those two pairs. And of course, we go to the H4. Okay, here's the H4. So marking the levels. St. Low, push. St. Low. Oh, come on, what's going on? Alright, so we can see movements to that level, but then let's confirm if it's actually a movement to this level. If you are seeing series of change of structures, I think yes, we can actually see some change of structure around there. Even though something like an inverted, what's it called, head and shoulder, you can see the head, you can see the shoulders around this level. But yeah, it's not really too confirmed, so that means for this, if you look, we're focusing on break of structure, which is this around this level. So let's see what the market does. You can see a taster into this level. So let's see if that level holds. Then we're looking forward to, you can see a bearish candle fully close above this rejection candle, close somewhere around there. You can think of going long on that, and of course, if you're going long on that, it's going to be on the scalping aspect of it, because here is where you're going long. Your stop is going to be around below this, and your take profit is going to be right here, and that is just like 1:94. Let us make it 1:2. Remember, this is a pending order, so this is not triggered yet. Alright, that's it. Going to the final one for today, which is going to be Pain 400. If you haven't watched my analysis on the previous one, which is the synthetic, other synthetics, you can check the previous video. I just dropped also on that. In case you have this broker, they have other brokers. You can just check it out on that previous video. Alright, so marking the structures also on these levels. Major levels around here. We are already close to this level. So that means since you're already going on the bearish side to that level, you just wait for a break below that. So what you're waiting for right now, since you're already moving on the bearish side, you want to see a break below this and the testing of that for us to go short. So that's it. This is going to be the end of today's analysis, and of course on synthetic markets. Tomorrow being Monday, we'll be looking at the Forex market. We'll be analyzing the pound dollar, the BTC USD, and XAU USD. So please and please don't forget, stay tuned. If that's interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon beside it so you get reminded once I drop the next video. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button and give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to share this with your colleagues so we can share this information. And that said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, play safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.